Deck the halls with the flocked Royal Majestic Fir tree by Puleo International. Our flocked Royal Majestic Fir has an exceptionally natural look with handcrafted, lifelike branches. Assembly is quick and easy with sturdy metal hinges that allow the tree branches to fall easily into place. Our provided base is durable and will safely support your investment for years to come. The tree is meticulously pre-lit using the latest technology. All bulbs remain lit even if one burns out, making it easy to identify the need for a replacement bulb. Our flocked Royal Majestic Fir tree will bring joy to your holidays for years to come. As the oldest family name for Christmas trees in America, Puleo has been a part of Christmas celebrations since 1955. We welcome you to join us in this tradition.